Today, we're talking through how to sublimate on Duraluxe Aluminum Bendable Panels. These aluminum panels feature a glossy finish, can be printed on both sides, and are precisely cut and pre-scored to make bending easy, giving you the freedom to create unique, eye-catching, three-dimensional designs that truly stand out. When you receive the panels, some may have a protective film on the print surface. If so, remove the film before printing. Not every panel will have one, so be sure to check. Next, clean the surface. Duraluxe recommends wiping each panel with alcohol to remove any adhesive residue. Once the panel is clean, it's ready to press. Now, place your sublimation transfer face down on the panel. Make sure it's aligned, then cover it with plain craft paper. Here's a pro tip. Make sure to add an 1/8 bleed around your art file. Press at 385 degrees for 120 seconds. Press each panel one at a time. You can press both sides of the same panel for double-sided. Adding multiple metal panels to the press at once can affect temperature and timing. When the press opens, use heat-resistant gloves. The metal will be extremely hot. Before the metal cools, while still wearing the gloves, remove the transfer paper and bend the panel while the metal is still hot. Bend into the score, not away. Try to bend the panel incrementally to avoid damaging the panel. The result is a durable, high-quality sublimated print, ready to be bent and shaped into dimensional designs.